Here's why watermelon should never be missing from your home. Watermelon, besides being very delicious, is very powerful. So if you want to know everything about watermelon, stay here until the end. But first, put in the comments the city where you are watching us from. I am going to take advantage of this and pass on a message that is in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse is often used as motivation to achieve great things, but it has a much deeper meaning. In the previous verses, the Apostle Paul talks about how he learned to live contentedly in God in all circumstances. In joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness, in comfort and in pain, his strength to keep going was in God. In every moment of life, whether good or bad, Jesus is our strength. Now I'll tell you all about it. 1. Hydrate. If you don't like to drink water much, a watermelon juice, or the watermelon itself in pieces are great alternatives to keep hydrated and enjoy the natural flavors of the fruit. 2. It is rich in nutrients. Watermelon contains only 46 calories per cup. But it is rich in nutrients. 1 cup of watermelon has vitamin C, A, potassium, magnesium and vitamins B1, B5 and B6. 3. Helps prevent cancer. Researchers who have studied lycopene and other plant compounds found that there is a correlation between lycopene consumption and lower risk of cancer of the digestive system. 4. May improve heart health. Some substances present in healthy foods, like watermelon, help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. 5. May decrease inflammation and oxidative stress. Because watermelon is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, lycopene, and vitamin C, it can help decrease inflammation and oxidative damage. 6. Helps prevent macular degeneration. The lycopene found in watermelon still helps prevent age-related macular degeneration. AMD, a common eye condition that can cause blindness in the elderly. 7. Helps relieve muscle pain. The advantage of the fruit is that in addition to it having citrulline naturally, watermelon juice seems to increase the absorption of the substance, which is an amino acid known to help muscle soreness. 8. It's good for your skin and hair. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, a protein that maintains the skin's flexibility, helping to prevent premature aging. 9. May improve digestion. The fiber provides bulk for the formation of the fecal bolus, and the water helps keep the digestive tract moving smoothly. Hey guys, did you imagine all this? I hope you can enjoy these benefits even more. That was today's video. Thank you for watching it so far. May God bless you. Hugs to you all, and see you in the next video. Bye.